We will be taking you through those exceptional pictures coming to us from right outside the Rashtrapati Bhavan, that is the Vijay Chowk over there. Now, today marks a ceremonial and also one of India's Republic Day celebrations that is called Beating Retreat Ceremony. Now, what you see on your screen is a tradition that dates back centuries. Beating retreat, if you know already, was one of military signal, a call of troops to actually withdraw, regroup and stand down right at sunset. So there you have all the three forces together. In India, it has evolved into a powerful symbol of discipline, honor, armed forces stepping back after duty in service of peace, and those spectacular pictures coming to us from right outside Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now, this entire beating retreat is set against the majestic backdrop of Vijay Chowk, Rashtrapati Bhavan, like I said, and bands from the Indian Armed Forces perform a very carefully chosen repertoire of patriotic tunes as well. Classical compositions, Indian melodies, all brought together in military precision. I'm going to take a pause now and let you enjoy what actually is happening at the moment right outside Rashtrapati Bhavan. The President of India, Supreme Commander of the Armed Forces, she will be presiding over the ceremonies today. And there she walks in. Let's listen in to what happens next.
गणतंत्र मंडप से भव्य प्रांगण की ओर अग्रसर माननीय राष्ट्रपति श्रीमती द्रौपदी मुर्मू, उनके साथ उनके सैन्य सचिव मेजर जनरल भूदेव परिदा, उप सैन्य सचिव ग्रुप कैप्टन अर्पित काला और सेरेमोनियल प्रोसेशन को एस्कॉर्ट करते हुए राष्ट्रपति जी के एडीसी भव्य प्रांगण की ओर अग्रसर, जहां उन्हें राष्ट्रीय सैल्यूट दिया जाएगा और अपने 46 घुड़सवार अंगरक्षकों के साथ
those pictures. Let's try and understand the context behind what is happening today. My colleague Gaurav Sawant joins us for more on this. Gaurav's pretty spectacular pictures. The sun is just about setting from Rashtrapati Bhavan. The president is walking out. Tell us the significance of what exactly we're seeing at the moment.
So in a moment from now, we will hear the commandant of the president's bodyguard salute the president, and then the entire cavalcade moves down the Raisina Hill. So in just about a second from now, we'll all stay silent so that we can listen to the president's bodyguard. This was known as the Darbar Hall of Rashtrapati Bhavan. Now it's known as the Ganatantra Mandap. There are 46 horses of the president's bodyguard. They will salute the president and then usher the president down Raisina Hill to Vijay Chowk.
सलाम लेंगे, राष्ट्रीय सलूट, मदद, तक।
For all ceremonial functions, the President of India is escorted by the President's bodyguard, and here we see
the President's buggy
arriving to
is now here and will carry the President down the Raisina Hill. So you have the majestic North Block, South Block that has the Prime Minister's office, the External Affairs Ministry, the Defense Ministry in South Block, and the External Affairs Ministry in South Block, the Finance Ministry and Home Ministry in North Block. Now, these are 46 horses of the president's bodyguard. They will then carry the president down the Raisina Hill to Vijay Chowk, where the vice president is already there, Prime Minister Narendra Modi already there. And imagine, this is a ceremony that first started in 1950 when the first president of independent India, Dr. Rajendra Prasad,
खींचेंगे।
he was, he witnessed the
सागवान की
beating
बनी
retreat
हुई
ceremony.
और
It's absolutely spellbinding. This is an age-old military
बहुत ही
tradition.
विशेष
The
सवारी
weapons symbolically
दुनिया भर में
that are displayed on Kartavya
बिल्कुल
Path
अलग
on
स्थान
Republic
रखते हैं।
Day. Those weapons are then sheathed
राष्ट्रपति जी के
after beating retreat
अंगरक्षक
ceremony, and all those
रेजिमेंट के
units and
कमांडेंट
regiments,
कर्नल
they then
अमित
get back
बेरवाल
to their respective locations, whether
और
they're at peacetime locations
रेजिमेंट के
or
सेकंड
at
कमांड
whatever locations they may
कर्नल
be.
अंगद
But
सिंह
look
थिंद
at how majestic the Rashtrapati Bhavan looks right now. Darbar Hall, no longer called the Darbar Hall. Now it's called
very,
the
very impressive
Gartantra
piece of
Mandap.
architecture
A lot of
and
changes
design.
that
The
are coming. So
forecourt of
now the
Rashtrapati
Commandant once
Bhavan.
again will lead
fact,
the
the dome that
entire
is the central
parade
piece
down
and stands
the
apart.
Raisina Hill. Listen in.
Crowns Rashtrapati Bhavan is one of the most distinctive features of the building, 55 meters above the level of the forecourt, with the national flag hoisted from the top. The central dome, in fact, is twice the height of the building, and here you can see at Vijay Chowk, carcades of dignitaries
is seen
arriving.
here.
All will be
That's the
ready
cavalcade
then
of Prime Minister
to
Narendra
receive
Modi. He will then
President of
receive.
India.
He will be received by Raksha Mantri Rajnath
गणमान्य
Singh,
व्यक्तियों की मौजूदगी से
the
समारोह
Defence
की
Minister,
शान बढ़ती है।
then the Defence
एक एक
Secretary,
करके
Chief of Defence
आगमन हो
Staff, the
रहा है
3 services
भारत के
chiefs,
सबसे महत्वपूर्ण
and
व्यक्तियों का।
this is Prime Minister
जाना
Narendra
पहचाना
Modi
ये
here.
कारों का
There's a
काफिला
big change that's
धीरे-धीरे
happened over the years.
विजय
You
चौक
had a
पर
lot of British era
सलामी मंच के
hymns
नजदीक
and military
पहुंचता
music
हुआ
that was played once upon a time, but post 2014, and especially with Prime Minister Narendra Modi very keen on decolonization, now you have the mridangam, you have the dhol, you have the tashe, you have the nagade, you have the mridangam, you have a lot of Indian instruments, you have the bansuri vadan here. And then this year, do remember, it's 150th year of Vande Mataram. So Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's immortal Vande Mataram will also be played here at the Raisina Hill, at Vijay Chowk. And this, in a way, is an effort. So there you see images of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's been received by Raksha Mantri Rajnath Singh, will be introduced to the Raksha Rajya Mantri, then the Chief of Defence Staff, General Chauhan, Chief of Army Staff, General Upendra Dwivedi, Chief of Naval Staff and Chief of Air Staff, and the Defence Secretary after that. Now the Prime Minister will wait for Up Rashtrapati or the Vice President, Mr. Radhakrishnan. He will come, and then ultimately the President. Once the President comes, the President is received by the Prime Minister and the Vice President, and then there's the national anthem, and this beautiful ceremony starts, Sonal.